Stop by and take a look at the 2016 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: emergency braking preparation, electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.